I've used Hostinger for around 10 years now, and in this video I will share with you what I like and what I don't like about Hostinger email. So first, when I log into my Hostinger account, I found emails here. So this is from where I manage email. From here I can create a new email inbox. Just select a domain, click on next, and select any plan that suits you here. And okay, from my experience, Hostinger email is something that I can recommend without a doubt. Why? Because I've connected to Gmail and it worked well for I think for at least 8 years, because always I use a hosting professional email address. For example, here, as you see here, this account ben@bensexperience.com is created, or the email or the original email is created on Hostinger and then connected to Gmail to start receiving my Hostinger emails directly in Gmail, and this way I receive Gmail notifications on my smartphone. Okay, now let's make sure here. Let's open an email, for example, this one. For example, let's see here. As you see, it is sent from ben@bensexperience.com. And if I see here, this is the domain name and this is the mailboxes created using this domain name. By the way, how to set up, let's talk about my experience with how to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. It is super easy to connect. Just you need to understand the process, and once understood, even if Hostinger changed the interface a little bit, you will understand the logic behind the integration or the connection. And if you need help, I will link below this video in the description a tutorial that shows exactly how to create your, or how to connect. And if you want to get, and yes, if you use or if you get your Hostinger account using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger, link in the description, I will give you access to my university, where I provide online courses, multiple online courses, including ones about Hostinger website builder and also Hostinger shared hosting. And inside this online course, you will learn how to set up or how to get started with your Hostinger shared hosting, including a section dedicated to email management, to know how to add a Hostinger email to Gmail, how to create a free business email in Hostinger, how to add a signature in Hostinger webmail, also how to forward Hostinger emails, how to open Hostinger webmail in Gmail, and so on. To get this to access to these online courses for free, just go to bensexperience.com/Hostinger, link in the description. Of course, since this is an affiliate link, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. Okay, the second thing that I like about Hostinger is how easy to the Hostinger email interface is super easy and organized. As you see here, I can check, or I can see all the mailboxes from the Hostinger, or from the mailboxes homepage. I can set up forward email addresses that once it receives an email message, it forwarded to any other email account. I can also create a catch-all email that this way for example, as you see here, let's say an email is sent to Ben with double N, for example. Even though it is not my correct address, this catch-all email will catch this email and send it to the correct email address. From here, you can also set up automatic replies. For example, if you are in summer or in vacation and you want to have an "I'm away from work" automatic reply, you can set it up. You can create it from here. The domain settings, to check that everything is in order to avoid getting receiving or sending email problems. You can also connect your Hostinger email to other services like Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, or others. And this is the email logs. You can, from here you can import your email messages from your old email account. Custom DKIM records for I think for this helps increase protection, prevents spoofing and phishing. Agentic email, this is new for me, and also the tutorials. And with my online courses, you will need no other tutorials because my online courses are in depth. Besides my Hostinger email, my online courses, you will also receive access to other online courses like Hostinger Horizons, and also Wix and Mailchimp and Google Sites. This university is useful, so don't forget to go or to visit Hostinger using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger. And that was all. That is my experience with Hostinger email. There is nothing there is no negative thing except this little thing that I'm not sure that that is not existing with the dedicated Hostinger email account. This is just for shared hosting. For example, I have a business hosting account, and I'm used to get free email accounts as long as I am active or I have an active shared hosting with Hostinger. But lately they started offering it just for the first 12 months. After, as you see here, free business email is free for just the first 12 months. After that, you should opt for their other paid plans. But this, I'm not sure if, but since if you get your Hostinger email paid, this means that you know what you are paying for. That was my experience with Hostinger email. Another thing that I want to share with you is that the sending and receiving, I send and receive emails using my Hostinger email account for years now, and I have no issue with my messages not being read or received. As you see here, I'm talking with the Hostinger affiliate manager. Let's see the send emails. As you see, all of those emails have at least one message sent and multiple received. As you see here, I'm talking 26 times with no issue. So Hostinger email, I recommend Hostinger emails for sure for anyone looking for an affordable, fast, easy to understand, and easy also to use share email account, professional email account. That was all for this review. Thank you for watching, and if you still have any question, leave it in the comments below. Thank you.